right. Hi, this is Bob Herzan. I'm president at ScaleLogic Incorporated. We're here at NAB 2024. One of the exciting things about NAB this year is AI. It's on everybody's tongue, and ScaleLogic has brought one of the best AI products to market that I can think of. It's what I consider good AI. It's AI that actually helps the editors and helps the producers get their jobs done more effectively and efficiently. So CaraOne it starts out as a search engine. So it's an appliance that would sit on top of whatever storage you might have, and it watches your content. What's amazing is it understands the world. It understands the context of what the video is. It understands the meaning, and it can understand all the text and visual aspects of it. So this is a very simple interface that we have. And in that interface, you have video, documents, pictures, and audio. Under video, you can search under visual, or you can search just under sound. And again, you don't have to have exact words. You can talk about meaning and concept. So it understands everything that it watched. So in this particular situation, we're looking for the silence of the world, which, what the heck is the silence of the world? And we got a slow computer going at the computer, but silence of the world would look something like this. So what's interesting about that is you wouldn't have caught this in logging or tagging. CaraOne doesn't log, it doesn't tag. It understands what it watched, so you can just talk to Cara and tell it what you're looking for, and it will find the content that's associated to it. But it does much, much more than that. So two of the new features that we've got are really important to the producing and the editing workflow. One of them is a feature called Ask CaraOne. So as that comes up, Ask CaraOne is kind of like that ChatGPT function. Everybody's having fun playing with ChatGPT and finding out all kinds of things that they want to learn. Well, what if you could do that with your own content? And that's what CaraOne does. It allows you to type in a question here, I want to cook beans in the mountains. And so my content was all about this, camping trip up in the mountains. But how do I cook beans in the mountains? So when I get that put in, it's going to come out and it's going to find the content that talked about that section. And then it's also going to transcribe a number of details about how to cook beans in the mountain. So it's cooking beans in the altitude. I've got the clips associated with it, and now I've got some script and content. And now I can take that and start to work my session. So that's a really new, exciting feature. The other one is up here. You got to select a clip first. And so what this is it's a predictive analysis. So it's using the AI to actually look at the clip and help the editors decide what the next clip should be. So when I hit this, I hit the predictive, it goes down and it starts to predict, looking at the content associated with that first clip, and it makes suggestions now. Now I've got these suggestions, and I can choose this one, or I could choose this one. And once I choose it, it's going to then go and find me the next spot. What's really neat, so you're building a timeline that is giving the story that you want, but maybe you want to take the story in a different direction. And if you did, you could come down here and you could hit here again, and it's going to build a second timeline. And you can build more and more timelines so that you can kind of figure out what the story needs to be. Once you've figured out the story, then you can export that into the editor of choice, if it's Avid, Resolve, or DaVinci. So those are some of the cool new features that we've got. It's a must-see. We've been busy all day today, and we're booked all day tomorrow and the next day. So come to the booth. It's SL7113. And if you can't make it to the show, go check out our website at www.scalelogicinc.com and take a look at CaraOne. Reach out to us. We'll be happy to do demonstrations for you.